Good morning, students. In our last class, we had been discussing about indicators, right? What is an indicator? Indicators are the special substances which are used to test whether a substance is acid or base. Am I right? Okay. Please understand there are two types of indicators. First one is natural indicators, and second one is artificial or synthetic. There are two types of indicators. First one is natural indicator, and second one is synthetic indicators. What are natural indicators? Indicators prepared from natural substances. Okay, and let us discuss what are the examples for natural indicators. First one is litmus indicator. Is a natural indicator. Okay. Second one, turmeric. Turmeric solution is a natural indicator. And third one, China rose. China rose petals can also be used as natural indicator. Okay, so these are three examples of natural indicator. Litmus is called a natural indicator because it is prepared from plant called lichens. Okay, lichens. Synthetic indicators. What are synthetic indicators? Indicators which are prepared by humans or chemically prepared indicators. Indicators which are prepared by using chemicals are called synthetic indicators. Indicators prepared by using chemicals. Okay, and we have to study two examples for this. First one is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, and second one is methyl orange. Okay, we'll discuss about these two indicators later. It's not given in our textbook, but we'll discuss about this later. Okay, and before that we need to discuss about natural indicators. Let us start discussing natural indicators. In this activity, we'll demonstrate how to find whether a substance is acidic or basic using turmeric as an indicator. For this activity, we need 2 glasses of turmeric solution, that is turmeric mixed with water, lemon juice, soap water. Lemon juice is acidic in nature because it contains citric acid, and soap water is basic in nature because it contains sodium hydroxide solution, which is a base. We'll put few drops of lemon juice into the first glass. There is no change in color. Now we'll add 1 spoon of soap water into the second glass. The color changes from yellow to red. Turmeric solution turns red when a basic substance is added into it, but there is no change when an acid is added. From this activity, we can conclude that turmeric solution can be used to detect whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Now, let us demonstrate how China rose petals can be used to test whether a substance is acid or base. The materials required are water in pan, 4 to 5 flowers of China rose, soap solution, and lemon juice, 2 empty glasses. First of all, we need to prepare China rose indicator by boiling the flowers along with water in a pan. After 2 to 3 minutes, the flower color will be changed and you will get a violet color solution. Now let's remove the flowers from the pan. Let it be cooled. Now the cold solution is added into the empty glasses. This is what we called a China-Ross indicator. Now we are going to add few drops of soap solution into the China-Ross indicator. As you can see, the solution turns into green and lemon juice is added into the indicator. The solution turns pink. You can see the change in color when we have added soap solution into China-Ross indicator. It has turned into green. And when we have added acid into China-Ross indicators, it has turned into dark pink or magenta. So this is how we test whether a substance is acid or base using a China-Ross indicator. China-Ross indicator will turn bases into green and acids into pink or magenta. This is the actual color of China-Ross indicator. I hope you have understood how turmeric solution and China-Ross petals can be used as an indicator. Turmeric solution will turn basic substances into red, right? And there won't be any change when you add acidic substance into turmeric solution. And what about China-Ross? China-Ross petals or China-Ross indicator? China-Ross indicator is green in basic substances and dark pink in acidic substances. Clear?